The beach front with the pool. Ito ang mga kinuha natin. We have pan de coco, bread, hummus again, scrambled egg, chicken adobo, hot dog, and then the watermelon. And then coffee. Black coffee, tapos nagdagdag ko ng coffee ko. Kasi mas gusto ko yun. Ayun na, enjoy! So, for today's video, papunta tayo na, or we'll be doing na tayo siya. And then so sad because for today's video, may lumot! Oh, so sad. May lumot siya. I mean, it's not that bad though. I mean, hindi naman siguro siya sobrang nakakatakot na factor, pero may lumot. Alright. Wow. Alright, so now, nakabook na yung buffet natin, dinner buffet natin sa Henan, sa Seabreeze. And I'm so excited. So dapat 5:30 to 6 nandun na tayo para maupuan natin yung nireserve natin. So hindi. Sa iba na tayo uupo. Pero I'm so happy. So now, diretso lang tayo ng lakad. So right now, nakuha ko na yung mga cards. So we're just waiting for the bus para ma-start na natin. And we're so excited. Well, naka-mark naman na kung saan yung land for tourist spot. Sabi, pag tour lang 2 hours, pero pag bababa, medyo natatagal, but that's fine. So excited! So we're now here on our first stop sa Amal Beach. So, okay, medyo napapalapan ko pala dito, hindi naman kami sabihan kasi medyo malayo. But I think it's like 15 minutes walk. But I think this is it. Ito na yung palatandaan na malapit na tayo sa beach. Nakikita mo ba yun? Na yun. Ito yun siya. So this is what we can see. Oh, actually, you know what? Mas quiet dito. Quiet din siya dito. So, nandun lang yung magulong parte. Magulong parte din ba? Nandito, mas visible yung lumot. Mas madaming yung lumot. So, how can you like enjoy swimming here? There's a lot of Hello. So now we're just waiting for the next hop of bus. Kasi tapos na kami sa first destination and we're about to go to the second destination. Colorado Beach! Wow! Mga ganyan-ganyan siya. A little tiring. Of course, we have the I Love Boracay. May mga nag-ano dito. So nice. Ayun yung sikat na... Ayun, magpapapicture tayo dun of course. So, video tayo dito. Saglit. So, ito yung sikat na punong pinagpapapicturean. And of course, I want to have a picture. Balik ko kuha ng number kay ate para pumila dito. Oh, so nice. So nice. Grabe mga mare. Ito yung kahinaan ko. Yung sobrang lakas ng hangin. Ano ba naman to? Pero nakikita nyo ba yung background? Ang ganda, di ba? Super ganda. It's so nice. And then, ayan o. Kaya madaming nagaganyan dito kasi sobrang nga namang hangin. So why not maximize it, right? But parang nice dito para ka nasa ibang bansa. Just look at the vibe there. And there. Ang ganda. It's so nice. So pretty. And then of course, there's a lot of foreigners. Boracay is really one of the best I could say because of this. Now we're done here, so let's go to the next stop. I think it's the Willy's Cove muna before the Puka Beach, but look at my tsura. Mukha pa bang tao to? Super haggard ko na. Wait. Kailangan natin iayos ang ating kasi nakikita paghahalataan wala tayong bugelya. Ayun lang siya, diba? Nasa Boracay tayo, so suot mo kung anong gusto mong isuot. No judgment, just Yeah. Now next we will be going to Willis Rock. Willis Rock Adventure. Hindi tayo sobrang magpapagpagod. Ay, wait! You know, in Mango Mama. Then we're gonna go. This is the best. So this is the Coco Mama. The daughter, the son, ang anak ni Mango Mama. This is the sticky rice. Nasabi niya. We'll try this first. Okay. Let's taste that. Wow. Wait. Sarap. Masarap yung coconut with the mango. Ito pandan yata. Masarap ng mango. Sarap. The best. Enjoy. And then with the sticky rice, subo, charis. Diba? Let's see. Let's taste. Sarap. Okay, pero sarap. 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 May pinipigan sticky rice. Pandan ng coconut. Ang sarap. So ito na siya. Malapit na tayo. Finally. The Sunny Side Cafe. Yes, here. Tapos yun siya. We're finally here. Ito lang pala siya. Doon tayo ng gathering. And then now, we'll be going to the babaan ng hapon-hapon. Maraming araw. Wala kami dito. Then, eat up. Naset naman yung expectation na 10 to 15 minutes ng walk. But that's fine if we can see the formation. Ha? Ito yung sinabi nung ate. Sabi niya kasi merong two ways. The left and the right. So the left, I think, is the better one. The rock formation. So let's see. Ito na siya. Ayun siya. Parang nakita ko na siya. Ayun siya. Dapat pala sa right ka. Kasi dito sa left wala naman. Sabi niya sa left, sa right. Okay, here we just need to challenge ourselves. Here. Okay. So you wanna be careful here because it's bato-bato. Ayan. Ayan. Ang ganda ko. This way, I would say, is iconic. Iconic! Oh, ito. Pero ang ganda talaga. I like it. Kasi okay siya yung nabubusog yung mata mo, yung soul, ang ganda mind, the heart, everything. Look at the view. Yes, makulimlim. It's not the ideal where there's Mr. Sunny and all, but it's still nice kasi hindi ganun kainit. So, ito yung picture spot. Wait, sorry na agad. Ano lang ka dito? Sumisilip na si Mr. Sun. Let's see kung may way dito. And there's a way. Still, there's a way. Ay, ito yung picture spot here. Ito na nga siya. Okay. Tapos na tayo sa picture. Now, let's proceed with the walking. Ito. Then the video graphic. Oh God, ito na. Ito na nga yung rock formation, sabi niya. When you go to the right, ito pala yun. I never thought. But, maganda. Hindi ko alam kung paano ka magpo-posing dito if mag-picture. Let's keep on walking. So, ang goal natin ay makarating doon sa kabila. Doon. Dito, marami talaga nag-i-stay. Look at that. Ang daming foreigner dito. Ang fairness. Meron kasi talagang ano dito. Pero yan, pagbababad nila dito, like, super. Ako nga, init na ako, pero sila, babad pa sila. Na parang, yan ang mga sun protection nyo, sunscreen nyo, cooling effect, pahiram ako. Kaya ganong effect talaga siya. Nice, here, kita mo. Ay, ito yung Windham. Ayun yung Windham, oh. Okay. Wait lang. Paano tayo bababa? Saan yung daanan? I think nasira because of bagyo. So nakakatakot. Bagabat! Si so stiff. Natakot ako! Takot ako! Alam mo, pag uwi ko neto, super morena na. Iles morena. Iles morena. Say. Ganun siya. So saan tayo dadaan siya ngayon? That's the question. Aakyat? Aakyat pa tayo dito. Ay. Matarik siya ha. So you have to put your force, your heaviness in front para tumalaglag. And then you have to go slow and nice. Oh. Ito yung hindi ka natapos umakyat baba. Tapos takot niya ako, sabi niya, ahas. Narinig ko siya. Wow. So nice. Malapit na tayo. Super. Malapit. Wow. That's nice. Ang ganda. Ganda to. Wow. Ito yung sinasabi. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that. Hindi may mga bata dito. Paano sila nakaakyat? This is so... Ito yung nakita kahapon. Ayan. So we're going there. Ay. Hindi na natapos. So, sa loob. Oh, ang ganda ng view niya dun, oh. Dito, ah. Wow. This is... Yan ang tayong bababaan. Ito na pala kasi yung tinutukoy na Station Zero. Kaya wala masyadong tao, so dito tayo lalabas. There's a lot of e-trikes in here na nag-offer. Sumakay kami or sakay kami, but no, sorry kuya, sorry mga kuya, dili man uso para sa akin ang e-trike ba? O walkout lang tayo dahil kasi kailangan ko magbawas na timbang. Hindi, okay na yan. And I enjoy walking. I love walking. As a matter of fact. Fact check. Wow. Pero sabi ni kuya kanina, 500 meters pa. Kaya kuya, runner ako. Wow. Yun lang. Grabe, after such a long ride, nakadating kami dito. So, sabi niya ate, just 5 minutes walk until we reach Puka Beach. Now, since may nakikita na tayong mga sasakyan dito, I'm assuming malapit na tayo. Boy! Hi! Yes, we definitely are near Puka Beach now. Now we're here at the Puka Beach. Ay, may generator kasi na wala sa dito. Wow, it's so nice in here. And again, meron Boracay. Sure kayo, madam? No. I love that. And again, And there's a lot of foreigners. I wow. Yes! Diretso. Wala pa rin kuryente pagbalik naman. Time check, it's 4:30 in the afternoon. Then, wakatan pa rin tayo. Climbing. It's that 9. So, I just walking going to hop and then see what's for the dinner day. It starts at 5:30. 5:30 to 6. All time. See it out there. I was just yeah. And that's the view. Wow. You see, that's the view. Can you see something? Here. Look, we also have peaks. There's a bill. You want that? So this is our food, as you can see. Hindi naman dinamihan. So, Michelle, chicken, ito, kare-kare, and then I don't know this here. Ganyan, oh my god, there's a lot. Then, with, ito. Grabe mga mare, napaka-crispy nung sarap eh, taste test. Crunchy. Dapat ganun pa yung view mo. Sarap. Ito yung food mo. Sarap. The best. Seaweed. Sarap. Sarap. So happy. Sarap. Then, okay ko ba? And we are done for tonight again. And for this day, I'm so happy. Kasi nakapag-land tour kami. Nakakain sa Seabreeze, which is one of my wish list for my birthday celebration. And though hindi ako nakantahan, but still, nakantahan yung katabi ko. And then sa other katabi, wow, sabi ko, may mga ka-birthday pala ako today. I'm just so happy. Parang na-treat ko na din or nakantahan na din yung sarili ko. So yun lang, thank you so much mga mare. I'm just so thankful for God. Thankful for the blessings, thankful for everything. I want to thank everyone who's been a part of my journey of my life. My friends, my co-workers, my family, my relatives, and those who've been part of me ever since. Thank you so much.